Yung pasok ni Jonah. She has been the one setting off the rebound. The toss to Van Sickle. Good reaction by Rem. From behind, Chi. Tacoron. Kayang-kaya ng depensa ni Gemma. Swipe. Good reaction. Bump set to Jonah from behind.
Oh, good reflex.
Oh, Chi will go for it. But Gemma keeps it in play. Long rally alert. Chi. 1-2. Sumabit sa net. Rally is not yet dead. Brooke for the kill.
Good team effort for the side of the Petrogas.
Set number 3. They're also ahead 2 sets to love. Max will get us going for this rally. Good first ball. Too close to the net. Very tight for Brooke. Mitch. Barbon was there. Dacoron was checked. Brooke on the second ball. Doug could exchange here. And
good finish there by Brooke. Like you did mention,
serving 17. Bonds sent back. Then secondary setter. Off the rebound, Barbon was there. Back to Brooke. Dan solid on the take. Chance ball again. Back to Brooke again. Goes for the swipe. It goes back to Petrogas. Third time. Will there be a fourth? That is smart on the fourth try. Didn't even jump too much anymore.
Creamline Cool Smashers. Take a look at that again.
Sabi niya, pagod na ako. Ito na lang. Lead is now at 3, Alexis. At head-to-head, we mentioned, is 25-7 in favor of Creamline. But it's one thing to look at the head-to-head, but it's another thing to actually experience the matches. Kasi ang hahaba ng mga matches nila.
Ang hahaba ng rallies.
Yung rallies at saka yung mga scores. Nagkakataon lang talaga na karamihan sa dulo, we head-to-head count a little later pag may challenge tayo. In the meantime, Jonas Sabete in between the for BDL. Sayat opens up and a cross-court deep cross.
Pa siya waiting for her middle attacker to approach and setting the ball to her open.
Who also had a couple of points in their game against Chocomucho. What an approach by Bernadette. Reverses to Michelle. Doug. Counter-attack. Sabete. Escalante. Hey.
Try to take a look at that again. Si Remy Palma nag-set kay Jonah in getting that score, but Coach Sherwin will call for a timeout.
A broken play, and that's what Brooke was saying. Even out of broken plays, transition plays, nakikita niya that the Creamline is may organization even in chaos. But you cannot give Brooke gifts like that.
Yeah, madaming nanonood with us here live.
Maaga ako dumating dito. It was nice and cozy during the Farm Fresh Signal game. Which Signal won in 3 sets. Here we go!
Good
Van
set.
Sickle.
And good attack from
7 set points.
Nice
What a serve. And it's back for a free ball for Creamline. Gemma, return to sender.
Yeah, good block. Good close on the down the line by Brooke.
It's a good press. Isn't she?
Since the first set, target siya ng mga servers ng Creamline.
7-5. Brooke continues to receive as she gets targeted by Creamline for obvious reasons. Back to Creamline here for a free ball. Pontillas. What a spot by Brooke.
Very smart play by Brooke for that strong hit. But take a look at that drop ball right in the side of